Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. This is where I share my experiences using cruelty-free skincare and makeup on mature skin. Today, I want to tell you about a new subscription box that I'm trying. Up until this past December, I had never tried any subscription boxes. I'm pretty picky about what I let into my collection, and I didn't know what I really thought about a box arriving every month full of products that I had not picked out. But then, as I watched more unboxings, I came to realize that there were some subscription boxes that consistently had products I did want to try, and that would be a great way to try them. I knew I wanted to start with Petit Vour. It was a box I had been looking at for quite a while. It's a cruelty-free, clean subscription box. It has 3 to 5 products each month, either full size or travel size or minis. And it has everything from makeup, skincare, body care, hair care, nail care, just a variety of things. And it's $18.95 a month. So I decided to start with that one in December. Not long after I subscribed to Petit Vour, before I even received my first box, I saw my friend Wendy from the channel My Life Wendy do an unboxing of another subscription box I had never even heard of. It's called See New, and she was really enthusiastic about the box. It was a great value. It had beautiful products, and I thought about it for a while, but then I thought, I don't want to start 2 subscription boxes at once when I've never had any. So I kind of put it in the back of my mind for a little while, and I started reading reviews about their subscription boxes, and I liked everything I heard, everything I read. A couple of things really sealed the deal for me. One thing was that I found out the company, for every subscription box they sell, gives another subscription box to Dress for Success. If you're not familiar with Dress for Success, they are an amazing organization. They provide low-income women with professional clothing so that they can go to interviews and try to get nice jobs so that they can find their way in the world and be empowered. Sometimes it's just those little practical things that make a huge difference. I found that in my own life, and I just love that the organization does that, and I love that See New gives them these subscription boxes to help empower these women. I really want to support brands that are making a difference, whether it's on environmental issues or social issues or animal welfare issues. I really want to support brands that are giving back. And I was so happy to hear that See New is one of those brands. The other thing that really convinced me to give them a try was I had a couple of questions about their subscriptions. They have bi-monthly subscriptions, and then they also have quarterly subscriptions. So I went on their website and I asked some questions. They have a little live chat, and I asked some questions. I got immediate answers. They were thorough answers. They were very positive and helpful, and anything I asked, they just really addressed it and helped me make a decision. And I just really thought that was wonderful that they were so customer service forward. That's the kind of brand I want to support too. So I went ahead and I subscribed. I decided to do the quarterly subscription, which means I'll be getting a box every 3 months. I didn't want to overload my collection with too many new things at once. It is a skincare brand. You get 5 full-size products from one brand with each box. I like to try one product at a time. I don't want to start too many products at once, because then if you have any type of issues, you don't know what caused it, or your skin can get confused with too many things at once. So I figure 5 full-size products over a 3-month period is about all I can handle. I really love the brands that they featured so far, and I was excited about the one that I knew was going to be coming in my first box. Let me tell you a little bit more about them. Of course, they're cruelty-free, clean beauty, and everything is sustainably sourced. The box is $52, and the value is always pretty good for what you've paid. I know for the first unboxing that I saw Wendy do, her value was over $200. And the value of this box I've read is $182. So you get a lot of bang for your buck. And let's just dive into it. Here's the box. On the outside it says See New, the skincare box. I took this out of the outside cardboard shipping box, and when I opened it, I got this whiff of this amazing scent. I wasn't going to open this at all, but when I smelled that, I was afraid maybe that something had broken inside the box. So I did open this to make sure nothing was broken, and it wasn't. I guess it just had built up that scent from being sealed in. Other than that, I haven't opened the box. I wanted to open it for you. So here's the inside. I'm gonna put my glasses on so I can read to you everything that it says here. At the top, it says empowering women one box at a time. And I love that because they are doing that. They're giving a box to Dress for Success for everyone they sell. I love when a company does what it says. And then here, below that, it says January, February 2020. Because it is either bi-monthly or quarterly, they have a box that comes out every 2 months. It says See New. Then here it says Perspective, Reality, and Confidence. I like that. There's a little handwritten note here, which I think is a nice touch from any brand, but especially a brand that I know does provide great customer service. From my own experiences, I found that out. It says, Dear Karen, we are so excited to share this new year with you, and we hope the Clean and Dirty, that's the brand they're featuring in this box, the Clean and Dirty collection starts your new year with the self-love you deserve. XOXO, the See New team. That's nice. Then here is the card with the description of everything in the box. And then on this side, it has a little bit about the brand. It says Clean and Dirty Natural Skincare. We believe in safe ingredients and real results. Our mission is to create joy in our community by providing incredible quality, natural skincare products. Encourage entrepreneurship and cultivate meaningful relationships. I like all of that. Okay, let's see what's in the box. I'm going to try to go in order here. The first thing they have is the cleanse. That's this here. It says the new romantic cleanser. This exfoliating cleansing stick features rose clay and rosehip powder to soothe the skin while exfoliating with jojoba beads. I've never used a cleansing stick, so I'm not really sure what I'm going to think about that, but I'm willing to give it a try. The ingredients sound wonderful. Oh my gosh, and the smell. It smells so good. This, it's a cleanser, so this is really not going to do anything, but I just want to get an idea for the consistency. Not really sure how this is going to work, but it smells amazing, and I'm willing to give it a try. I'll let you know how it works out for me. Then the next product is to tone. So yeah, here's the toner. It says Hot Shot Toner. This toner features aloe extract, cucumber water, and lemon and orange essential oils to balance your skin before moisturizing. I love using a toner. I find that it really just plumps up my skin and adds that moisture for all the products I use after that. So I'm happy to try a new toner and see what I think of this one. Let's see how it smells. I'm going to spray a little bit on my hand just to test it out. It smells like the cleanser. It smells really, really good. Okay, the next it says number 3, moisturize. if I can find the moisturizer in here. Okay, this must be it. It says Luxury Anti-Aging Oil. Yes, this is it. This moisturizer deeply hydrates your skin to reduce the look of fine lines, wrinkles, and all forms of acne. I love facial oils. I'm gonna have to do some reading to see what the ingredients are on this one, but I do love a nice facial oil. Let's see what the consistency of this one is. It's a deep golden yellow color. I'm gonna put on this other hand so it's not over there with the toner and the cleanser. Let's see how that's how it is on my skin. Oh, that feels nice. Doesn't feel at all heavy. It's very light. I love that. Feels like it's gonna sink nicely into the skin. Oh, it smells beautiful. I'll have to do some reading on the ingredients. It doesn't say here on this little card what the ingredients are, but I'll do some research. And when I do my review of the box, after I've used it for a while, I'll let you know more about that. But first impression, it's sinking in beautifully. It feels wonderful on my hand and it smells great. Okay, that was the third product. Here's the fourth one. This is the Glow Mask. This clay mask pulls impurities and reduces inflammation. Ingredients like turmeric, carrot seed oil, and kaolin clay help amplify your natural glow. Use 2 times a week after cleansing. I'm excited about this. I don't have a whole lot of masks that I really like, but I love all the ingredients they mentioned. And I'd love to find a mask that I really do enjoy. I don't like sheet mask at all. And there are very few masks that I've tried. This is what it looks like in the pan. Can't really tell a lot. Just looks like a nice mask. Doesn't have as much of a scent as some of the other products, but that's okay. I'm fine with that if it does a good job. I'm definitely willing to give it a try, and I'll let you know how it does for me. One more product. Let's see. This one, it says Freshly Peeled. This peel helps dull, tired, and congested skin. It resurfaces to heal acne, reverse damage, and reduce texture to reveal youthful, glowing skin. Use 2 times a week after cleansing. I'm excited about this. If it's going to resurface, if it's going to reverse damage, and if it's going to reduce texture, yay. Definitely want to give this one a try. It says 2 times a week, so that sounds good to me. I'm going to put this one over here. Let's see, I'm just going to spray a little bit, maybe on my wrist. Let's see what it does. Ooh, got too much. Let's see. Oh, this one has back to that wonderful smell. They all have a slightly different smell, but they all are very consistent and really blend and complement one another. So I know smell isn't as important as effectiveness, but still adds to the experience. I am absolutely passionate about skincare, and it's the whole experience. I've heard people say that they don't enjoy doing skincare, that they just do it because they have to, because they want to have nice skin, but they don't enjoy the rituals of it. They don't enjoy actually applying the products. I'm not like that. I'm kind of the opposite. I feel that way about makeup. I know a lot of people love putting makeup on. I put makeup on because I like the end result, but I don't really enjoy putting makeup on. Skincare, on the other hand, I love. I love the whole process. I love doing my skincare morning and night. Even when I'm tired, sometimes I maybe want to take a little shortcut and not do every step, but I still absolutely love my skincare routine. Okay, that's sinking very nicely in the skin. I just love the way it's leaving my wrist feeling. You can't feel my skin there, but trust me, it feels really nice. I'm excited about trying all of these products from this new brand that I don't know anything about. I've read some great reviews already, so I feel confident using the products from this brand, and I will let you know what I think of the products. I plan to do this the same way I do with my Pettivore. I'm going to use the products, and then when I get my next box, which will be 3 months from now, I'll have used all of these products long enough to be able to give you a good review of them, and I'll do a thorough review then. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun telling you about this new subscription box. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Just hit that subscribe button here below and then ring the notification bell next to that so that you know when I post new videos. Bye for now.